Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you will be very well, and I am also very well. Today, I am going to discuss mathematical tools. In last class, I have already taught you how to find area of ring whose radius is r and thickness is dr. Today, I am going to discuss about cylinder. This is cylinder whose radius is r and its length is L, also called as height h. Area of curved surface. This is curved surface. Okay? This is curved surface. Area of curved surface will be 2 pi r L. Suppose this is book and this length is width and this length is length. Okay? Now I am going to make a cylinder like this. Okay? This is curved surface. This length is 2 pi r and this length is L. Therefore, area will be equal to width into length. Width into length. 2 pi r into L. L is height or it is also called length. It is also called as length. Total surface area. Total surface area will be equal to the sum of surface area of curved surface plus area of this part and this part. Area of this part will be pi r squared and area of this part is also pi r squared. Therefore, total surface area will be equal to 2 pi rl plus 2 pi r squared. Here we take common 2 pi r into r plus l. This is the final answer. This is the final formula of total surface area. Volume of cylinder. We know that if we have to find volume, then first of all we find area of base and we multiply this area with length or height. Okay? Volume of cylinder will be equal to pi r square into L, where pi r square is the area of base and length is the height of cylinder or length of the cylinder. Okay? Now I am going to discuss about cone. What is cone? This is cone. Okay? If we assume this like, it will be cylinder. Therefore, volume of cone will be less than cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, but here volume of cone is less than volume of cylinder. Therefore, it will be 1/3. Volume of cone will be 1/3 pi r square h. That is 1/3 of cylinder. Total surface area pi r square. This is area of base and pi r square h. This is area of base and this is surface area, curved surface area. Total surface area will be area of base plus area of curved surface. Area of curved surface is pi r L, where L is slant height, and its volume will be 1 upon 3 pi r square h, okay, where h is height of the cone and r is the radius of base of the cone. Now I am going to discuss about cube. Cube has same edge length. This is a, this is a, this is a. It is just like room. It is just like room whose edge length is A. Okay. Total faces in a cube. There will be 6 faces in a cube, and total number of corners will be 8. Volume of this cube I have already discussed about volume. First of all, we find base, area of a base. Now I am going to discuss this. Diagonal of. Now I am going to discuss about diagonal of cube. What will be diagonal? Root 3a. This is diagonal. Okay. This is root 2a and this is a. Therefore, diagonal will be equal to root under root 2a, a square of root 2a plus a square of height. Therefore, diagonal will be equal to root 3a. Total area of all faces. Total area of all faces. Face has area on both sides. We take one side area. Total area of all faces 6a square. If you take on both sides, therefore we add 6a square again. Therefore, total surface area on both sides of all faces will be equal to 12a square. But if you take one side, by assuming thickness of wall is negligible, if you take one side, then total surface area of all faces will be equal to 6a square. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about parallelogram. This is parallelogram whose any two opposite sides are parallel to each other and each angle will not be equal to 90 degree. In this geometry, angle may be greater than 90 degree or less than 90 degree. In this geometry, diagonal length of both diagonals are not equal, but in a rectangle square, the length of both diagonals will be same. Okay. But parallelogram and rectangle are also rectangle and a square are also parallelogram. Area of parallelogram will be equal to base into height. Suppose this angle is theta and this length is b and this length is a. Therefore, height will be equal to b sin theta according to this. If you find base in this right angle triangle, a cos theta is equal to a by ad. Okay? Here base is ab and height is b sin theta. Therefore, area of parallelogram will be equal to base into height, a into b sin theta, ab sin theta. Okay? Now I am going to discuss about trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium will be like this or this. Okay? This is these two sides are parallel sides and this is separation between parallel sides. Therefore, area of trapezium will be equal to half into sum of parallel sides into separation between parallel sides, also called as height. Okay? This will be area of trapezium. Now I am going to discuss about trigonometrical ratios. Suppose this is a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is h and base is b and perpendicular is p. Opposite of angle will be perpendicular. Okay? Sin theta will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cosec theta will be equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay? Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Sin theta into cosec theta. Put the values of sin theta and cosec theta. Sin theta is p by h and cosec theta is h by p. H cancel out and p cancel out. This will be equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta. Similarly, cos theta into sec theta is 1. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. According to Pythagoras theorem, a square of hypotenuse is equal to a square of perpendicular plus a square of base. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Here 180 degree is equal to pi radian, 90 degree is equal to pi by 2. If you divide both sides by 2, then it will be 90 degree and it will be pi by 2. 1 degree is equal to, according to unitary method, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Therefore, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 second is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This symbol is known as second and this symbol is known as minute. Okay? Convert 12 minute into degree. We know that 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Therefore, 1 minute is equal to this according to unitary method. Therefore, 12 minute is equal to this. Okay? Now, another question is, convert 24 degree into radian. As previous question, you can solve this question. 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Therefore, 24 minute is equal to this degree. If you convert degree into radian, then 180 degree is equal to pi radian, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180, and 2 by 5 degree is equal to itna radian. Okay, you can solve this question in short method. 1 upon 60 into pi by 180 into 24. Here 24 minute, convert 24 minute into radian. We know that 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Therefore, we divide by 60. Then minute is converted into degree. And further, degree is converted into radian by multiplying pi by 180. Therefore, final result will be minute is converted, first of all, minute is converted into degree. Therefore, we divide 60, and degree is converted into radian by multiplying pi by 180. And what value converted into radian? 24 minute. Therefore, we multiply by 24. Okay. Similarly, you can solve this question. Convert 10 degree into radian. Degree is converted into radian by multiplying what factor? Pi by 180. Therefore, you can solve this question directly. 1 upon 80 into 10, because degree is converted into radian by multiplying pi by 180. Okay. Here, convert 20 second into radian. First of all, second is converted into minute by multiplying or dividing by what factor? 60. Okay. First of all, second is converted into minute by dividing 60, and minute is converted into radian by dividing 60. Clear है ना? And minute is converted into, second is converted into minute by dividing 60, and further minute is converted into degree by dividing 60, and further degree is converted into radian by multiplying pi upon 180. And lastly, we multiply by this. Okay. This is a stepwise by unitary method. Final answer is also equal to shortcut method. Okay now? I hope you understand very well. Got it? Now I am going to end the class today. Have a nice day. Namaskar from my side.